Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger sound notifications. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger sound notifications, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will search about Messenger. When you'll find this page of app on phone, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. When you'll find this page, you click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will find this Messenger. I don't have here update in this blue sign, but when you'll find it, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.